Hello everyone, I am Vandana Singh and today we are going to explore the beautiful world of glass paintings. Glass paintings is the easiest way to express your feeling and it's a creative way to do so. As the summer vacations are approaching, we can go ahead with that. Glass painting is basically a contemporary form of art which has been derived from an age-old style of painting that is called stained art painting. You must have seen in old churches and buildings, the high window panes and the doors are decorated with colored glasses. These are actually small pieces of glasses put together in certain patterns and designs to create some figures and some abstract form. When the light passes through these paintings, it creates magical and awesome effect. Nowadays, this form of painting is very popular among the beginners and it is also taken up as a hobby because of its easy available, convenient usage and awesome results. Glass painting can be applied to various surfaces. It can be used to decorate many things. You can paint your wine glasses, mugs, wall hangings, mirrors, glass panels, window panes and many other things. So let's come and experience the joy of painting. The first and the foremost thing is the material required. There are many kind of glass colors available in the market. The first one is the water-based glass color and the other one is the solvent-based. Water-based is basically used by the beginners and the other one, that is the solvent-based, is used by the professionals. There are many brands available in the market. Camel and Fevicryl are some of them. Camel color are something which is very much thicker than the Fevicryl one. So for the beginners, I would rather say that you can go for the Fevicryl. It's easy to use and convenient. The next material is the outliner. The outliner comes in many colors and it has an applicator through which we can apply it on the glass surface. If you don't feel comfortable using this kind of liner, you can go for Fevicryl 3D cone liner, which is very convenient to use and students basically go for these kind of things. It is very popular with the kids also because it is very handy. The other things which are needed are earbuds, some pens and obviously a reference design. If you have a good hand on sketching, you can do your own drawing according to the size of your glass sheet. And if you are not good at that, don't worry, go for something which is a printout or anything which can act as your reference material or design. Now we will start with how to go with the painting. The first and the foremost thing is that you should have a flat horizontal surface for that. The table on which you are placing the painting should not be tilted. वो अगर टेढ़ा होगा तो your color will just flow to one end and doesn't cling on the other side and it will spoil your painting. Now for the reference design, it means whatever design you have taken, it has to be placed below the glass sheet. Okay, the glass sheet has to be very properly cleaned with water and then you can proceed with the painting. So first thing, after placing the reference sheet, you have to just secure the topmost and the bottommost surface so as that the sheet should not move. आप चारों तरफ से उसे अगर सेलो टेप से लगा देते हैं, so it's very helpful for you. The design doesn't move and it will make you easy to work. Now we'll start with the outlining process. First of all, you should clean the tip of the outliner. It should not be messed up because it won't give out the clean edges. So first of all, clean and start with how to apply the outliner. You have to just touch the surface of the glass first with the tip and just start moving it like a mehendi cone. You have to just move along with the design. And if there is a breakage, don't worry, you just clean the nozzle again and start again. You just have to keep the nozzle away from the surface. Now this way you have to complete the whole painting doing the outliner part. Don't be afraid of the mistakes. Mistakes can be corrected. So by mistakes only you can learn many things, no? So when it is messed up, it's the best thing about the glass painting is that it can be corrected easily. Wipe it off with a wet cloth and start with again. The best thing about glass painting is that you don't have to use brushes. From the bottle itself, directly you can apply the color. The do's and don'ts are that while applying the color, the nozzle should touch the surface. If you just keep it above the surface, the bubbles will be formed. So, bubbles को avoid करना है, तो you have to keep the nozzle in contact with the surface. Apply on all the side you are filling. Don't leave any spaces on the border or the outliner, near the outliner. Every space has to be filled up properly. Similarly, you have to fill all the petals. Now, right now I am just filling up a flower. So this way, after the outliner is done, you have to just leave it for a day or so, and after that it gets up very harder and it's easy to apply color on it. So just see that I am not leaving any spaces. I am just pressing the bottle and filling up with colors. And if by chance a bubbles come, you can first of all break it up with the nozzle itself, and if it doesn't, then just use the earbuds and remove the bubbles. Never leave a bubble, because it will, after it gets dried up, it will just spoil your painting when it breaks down. We have filled all the petals. The same way you have to color every petal and every flower of this particular design. The thing is that when we come to merging and mixing of colors, then there's another way of filling the colors, and I'll show you right now. Now we'll mix the two colors. So I am just using emerald leaf green and lemon yellow to fill the color in the leaves, and just watch out how I am mixing the two colors. It's not very difficult, though it needs patience. Patience you need in any form of art and craft. The material required and everything won't work until you have patience. See, the color moves by itself only. You just leave it with the pin or something. You can just enhance the color. You just can mix the color and it will give it a realistic look. Okay, in this way you have to color the whole thing very slowly and patiently, and after completing the filling the colors, you have to leave it for a day or so that it gets dry up. In summer season it only requires 1 day to dry up, but in winter or in any other season it definitely will take 1 or 2 days more, just because of some moisture in the atmosphere. So be patient and wait for your painting to dry. Now this painting is completed and I have also get it framed. Now just look at it, how beautiful it is looking. Only thing is required is your patience, a little bit of patience and some effort, which I know everyone can do that. The colors are looking very vibrant and are placed. For glass painting, just make sure you use vibrant colors, contrast colors, which gives us a very nice effect. I hope you find this activity of glass painting very useful. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. In the next video, we are going to cover some other form of painting. So please do keep watching and happy painting.